Okay, question number 9 and 10, these both are activity, so you should do this activity by yourself. Okay, so now we try question number 11. Okay, so here 11 bags of wheat flour, each mark 5 kg, actually contain the following weights of flour. Okay, in kg. It means here 11 bags of wheat flour, and in these bags, okay, 5 kg, each mark 5 kg. So here these observations are given. Okay, and now find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contain more than 5 kg of flour. Okay, it means we find here a bag contain more than 5 kg. Okay, these are observation we take for the probability. Okay, so answer number 11, see here. So answer 11 of exercise 15.1. so here total number of bags is equal to 11. Okay, so total number of trial is equal to 11. Okay, so now we decide, let event A denote that the probability a bag contains more than 5 kg of flour. Okay, so from the textbook you count how many observations are there more than 5 kg. So there is 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, then 5.06, then 5.08, and 5.04 and 5.07. Okay, so total 7 bags are there and they have more than 5 kg. So number of trial in which event A occur is equal to 7. So P into bracket A, okay, probability P into bracket A is equal to 7 upon 11. Okay, so this is the answer of 11. Now question number 12. Okay, so in question 5 of exercise 14.2, again you refer this exercise. Okay, in question number 5. Okay, so there is, you were asked to prepare a frequency distribution table. Okay, in this question there is, you have to prepare this table regarding the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of a certain city for 30 days. So using this table, after then when you prepare this table, then use this table and finding the probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12 dash to 0.16 on any of these days. It means here 30 days we have. Okay, during these 30 days every day we record, okay, the concentration of sulfur dioxide. So how many days, okay, how many days are there, okay, in this interval 0.12 to 0.16, that we have to count, that we have to take. Okay, so now answer number 12. Okay, so you see here answer number 12, exercise 15.1. so here according to sum number 5 of exercise 14.2, so the total number of days 30. Okay, that is given in sum. So the total number of trial is equal to 30. Okay, so now we decide, let event A denote that the probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12 to 0.16. Okay, so that is 2 days come. There is how many days? Only 2 days. That is frequency. Okay, when you prepare this table in this chapter. Okay, so here we get, so number of trial in which event A occur is equal to 2 days. So P into bracket A, it means probability of PA is equal to 2 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon 16. So this is answer number 12. Okay. Now question number 13. Okay. So in question number 1 of exercise 14.2. So again you refer this exercise 14.2. There is question number 1. Okay. So you were asked to prepare a frequency distribution table. Again here is like same, but question 12 and 13 both are same. Regarding the blood groups of 30 students of class. So use this table to determine, okay, after then you use this table to determine the probability that a student of this class selected at randomly has blood group AB. It means how many student has blood group AB, that you have to find out. Okay, when you prepare this table, out of 30 students, okay, how many students having blood group AB. So answer number 13 now we see. So here answer number 13. Okay, hello, exercise 15.1. So according to question 1, okay, according to question 1 of exercise 14.2, that the total number of students there is 30, that is given, okay, in textbook. Okay, so total number of trial is equal to 30. Okay, now we decide, let event A denote that the probability of a student having blood group AB and is 3. It means there is 3 students have blood group AB out of 30 students. When you observe or when you check this question, okay, so there is blood groups are given A, B, O, AB, like that. Okay, so the number of trials in which event A occur is equal to 3. So here probability P into bracket A is equal to 3 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon 10. So this is our answer 13. Okay, so here we solve this 15.1 exercise. So you learn again and watch this all video properly for the second unit test. Okay, so you learn again. Okay, now here not any one sum come about the probability having impossible. જેમાં impossible હોય તો માની લો કે આપણે આ 13 નંબરનો સમ છે એમાં એવું સપોઝ હિયર આસ્કિંગ લાઈક દેટ કે probability of a student having blood group AO, okay, here AB, okay, as like there is AO suppose as, so it not possible, right? Nobody can have, okay, AO blood group, that's why this is impossible. So for that event, okay, for that event we write, hello, the probability for that event is impossible. Don't write 0, impossible લખવાનું, 0 નહીં લખવાનું. Okay, ચલો, bye.